Dear viewers, in this video I'll share you a very attractive fixed deposit alternate from where you can earn 10% to 13% annualized returns, almost more than double of the fixed deposit return, short term as well as long term, whatever the duration you wish. Not only that, I'm personally using the platform. So I have my own investment since the last many months. So in this video, I'll show you that also. I'll first describe the option. Then after that, what are the benefits, what are the risks, and after that, from my personal account, I'll share you the screen recording from where you can understand how easily you can earn 10% to 13% fixed annualized return without any kind of share market volatility or stock market risk. My name is Prashanjit Paul and I have authored the best-selling book How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market, which is still the highest rated book in the Indian stock market written by any Indian author. The option is invoice discounting, from where you can earn 10 to 13% annualized return. So before going into the benefits, risks and all other details, let's first understand what is this invoice discounting. Let's move towards the screen. From this image, you can see there are three parties. One is the enterprise, then second is the vendor, and third is the you or me, like investors. So let's understand one by one. So first start with the enterprise, like Flipkart, Amazon and all. So first, here is the enterprise. Say for example, big companies like Amazon, Flipkart and all. So now say for example, Amazon requires box to ship their order. So then what they will do, Amazon place orders for 1 lakh box or 2 lakh shipping boxes to some small vendors or the supplier. So first they will place the order, and after the order placement, what will happen, the vendor or supplier will raise the invoice. Now as per after raising the invoice, it's not like that the big companies Amazon, Flipkart or Coca-Cola, they instantly pay to the small vendors or suppliers, but these small vendors or suppliers require money to continue their business. This is also called the working capital loan. Normally till date what happened, like large banks and all, they offer the working capital loan. Now with the advancement of internet, now there are a lot of internet companies, they are offering the platform that can help vendor or small companies on the working capital loan, and also giving the opportunity to the investors of earning 10 to 13% annualized return. So now then what will happen, then the vendor or the small companies, they share the invoice. They will say, okay, I have an invoice of 100 rupees, so I'll get that money after few months, after 2 or 3 months. So but I need that money now so that I can run my business. So for ease of example, I am telling you with the only 100 rupees, but actually you can consider few thousand, or like not only few thousand, so few lakhs or even few crores of rupees. So while vendor or supplier will share the invoice, now why the investor will give money to the vendor or supplier? Because the investor will seek return. So what investors will do, say for example, the investors know now they will get back the money after 3 months. So based on the 1% interest per month, 1% interest will turn 12-13% annualized interest. So 1% interest per month, the investors agrees to pay 97 rupees to the vendor. So now carefully follow the fourth step. So now investor is ready to pay 97 rupees, and with that 97 rupees the vendor will manufacture the product, and once the vendor manufacture the products and after this enterprise is satisfied with the product, then the enterprise directly will pay 100 rupees to the investors. So this is how this entire process works, and this is called invoice discounting, in which you or me, like investors, are also getting return over the short run, and vendors or suppliers, small companies, are also getting working capital loan at much cheaper rate compared to the banks. Now, what are the benefits of this invoice discounting platform? The first is the short-term return. In stock market or mutual funds, we always prefer the longer you hold, the better will be the return. But if you are looking to park your money for 2-3 months, like this, a smaller period, then there are very limited options. So first benefit is this invoice discounting is a great short-term investment opportunity. Second, the platform that I am going to share you can liquidate the amount anytime. So anytime withdrawal is the second benefit. Like even in FD, like if you do 6 months FD, but suddenly after 1 month you require money, most of the bank charge premature withdrawal. Here you are getting double, more than FD, more than double return compared to the FD, as well as you can withdraw or you can liquidate your amount. You can withdraw the amount anytime if you require, even before the deal maturity, even before 2-3 months. How? That I'll show later in the slides. The third benefit is there is no share market risk, no share market volatility. It doesn't matter whether the market is moving up or down. The return won't be affected by the stock price movement or anything like that. The fourth benefit is diversification. Obviously, I'll never suggest you can invest entire all of your savings into this invoice discounting platform, but that's a great option to diversify. Even I have invested around 7-8 lakhs cumulative in the last few months. So what I do, I transfer a part of my savings, the part of my fund into this platform, so that it helps me in the diversification. And the last benefit is that process is fully online. So sitting from home without any effort, without any research, without doing nothing, you are actually getting more than the FD return, so which is very attractive. There are few platforms those are offering invoice discounting investment option, but out of all the platform, my personal favorite is TradeCred. Why? Because from my personal experience, only TradeCred platform offers this anytime withdrawal option. And secondly, TradeCred, this platform is still have the 0% default rate. It means that all the investors who had invested money, they got their money back with the kind of return they have promised. Now I'll talk about later this risk mitigations and all. Now let's have a look at screen and let's step by step how you can create account, how you can invest and all. So first of all, click the link on the description box and you'll find this page. From this page, registration page, you can select the type of user like individual. Then you need to put your PAN number, then your email, registered mobile number, year of date of birth, PAN number, and also you need to upload a PAN copy, as well as you also need to upload your Aadhaar copy, e-Aadhaar copy. So here you will find the instruction how you can download the e-Aadhaar, as well as you need to remember one more thing, like the file size. Here it is mentioned that please upload the document file size less than 5 MB. So once you are done with your PAN, Aadhaar, if you have not GST registered, then no GST, and then you just need to agree with the terms and condition and then submit. So that's it. So after that, it will take few times, maybe 1 or 2 days to get the account verified, and then your account will be active. So once your account is active, now you can log into your account. So this is my personal account page. So first let's have a look. Like as you can see, if I visit to this dashboard section, here you can see my wallet balance, my current investment amount, and if I click on the historical portfolio, you can see the cumulative total investment is around 7.5 lakhs till date in my personal account. So the first step you obviously need to do is you need to deposit the fund. So already I have my wallet balance is 1 lakh. So here is the deposit option. So you can deposit via UPI, or here is a bank account details. You can transfer the fund via NEFT or RTGS. After depositing the account, you will find your wallet balance. Like right now my wallet balance is 1 lakh. Now let's move forward to the deal page. So here is the current deal page. So here you can see that these are the deals listed. So have a look at this. So there are many deals. Out of these deals, I personally prefer the deals those are marked as TradeCred Prime. Here you can see this TradeCred Prime banner with the zero cost instant liquidity. It means these are the deals. First of all, these deals can be also, like if you invest in these options, they can also auto renew, and zero cost instant liquidity means you can sell anytime. Not all the deals have the marking like zero cost instant liquidity. And from this deal page, you can also check out the deal summary, deal report, wherein all the names of party and what the details of the deals are mentioned. Also, as you can see, the minimum amount for this deal is 50,000. So you can invest any amount, 50,000, 60,000 or 1 lakh, whatever you want. You simply need to put the amount here, and then you need to click on the buy deal. And once you click on the buy deal, then some few formalities, few OTPs will come, and then you need to put your signature, and then it will be purchased. After the deal purchase, you will find your deal. You need to click on the order history. So here is my all the past orders. As you can see, these are my ongoing deals. So these are my past orders. Now say for example, all on a sudden I need money, I need to withdraw money. All you need to do, you can just see, you can see the sale order button. You just need to click on the sale order, and once you click on the sale order, another window will open, and from there you just need to place your confirmation request, and within 1 day or 2 days the amount will come into your wallet balance, from where you can withdraw the fund. So that's all about placing an order, buying and selling, and getting return of 10 to 13%. Now, what about the risks? So obviously the only risk is here, as you can already, I hope you already know, the risk is the default by the corporate or the default by the enterprise. What if by any reason, if the enterprise is not comfortable or by any reason the vendor supplies some poor materials or maybe the bankruptcy of the enterprise and all, if the enterprise suddenly denies to pay, then only it will be a very risk for you. But the good part is till date, from the last 5 years of operation, TradeCred platform is still the zero default platform. And from the internet, I have also find 2-3 other companies, but they have some default rate. But in the TradeCred, they have zero default. While I inquired to the company, like how you maintain this zero default rate, so the company simply answered that they only work with established high value, strong balance sheet companies, like for example Amazon, Flipkart, and all the companies, Coca-Cola and all. So the companies, those who do business with the smaller players worth rupees multiple crores, the companies having very strong fundamentals, strong balance sheet, not a leveraged company, so they deal or they list their invoices only on their platform so that investors can ensure zero default rate. Because the company also know, once if any investors don't receive their money back, that will be hurt their reputation as well. So before listing any deal, the company, the TradeCred platform, check all the details about the corporate, the vendors, the invoices. They have a very strong internal team, those who check all these things. And yeah, what's the profit of TradeCred? Obviously, TradeCred will keep a little, maybe 1% or something like this from every investment that you make. So from my personal experience, I'm a very satisfied user of TradeCred, mainly because of this two factors. The first of all, you can withdraw the amount anytime. You can place the sale request and within 1 day or 2, the amount will be back into your wallet, and from your wallet you can withdraw the amount into your bank account. So anytime withdrawal option along with high interest rate, high return rate, 10 to 13% return, which will be more than fixed deposit even in the shorter term, makes it a very attractive investment option as well as diversification option for me. So I hope things are clear now. You can simply click on the description box, click on the link and sign up there, and then you can brighten the chances to earn 10% to 13% annualized return even on the short term basis. If you have any queries, you can surely put the queries in your comment box, or even the customer support team of TradeCred is very prompt. You can also call them or drop an email. Personally, whenever I emailed or called them, within 24 hours, I got the resolution. If you learned something new from this video, kindly like the video and share it with your friends and family. If you want to receive similar kind of insightful video on the upcoming days, make sure to click on the subscribe, and not only subscribe, you need to click on the notification button, then only you can get my upcoming videos. So that's it. As on today, I'll come some other day with another insightful video. Till then, happy investing.